In this video, I will be showing you how to put an outline on an image in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the Canva homepage and navigate to the top left corner to click on Create a Design. From the suggested list of formats, I choose the YouTube thumbnail option, which opens a fresh, blank canvas in a new editing tab. Once the canvas finishes loading, I move over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Elements tab. In the Elements panel, I click See All next to recently used to browse through my available graphics. I select this transparent cutout image of an iced chocolate drink, which immediately places it directly in the center of the canvas. To make the subject and our outline stand out much better, I click on the canvas background and open the background color menu from the top toolbar. Under the Photo Colors section, I select a complementary warm brown shade that nicely matches the chocolate tones of the drink. Next, I click on the milkshake image to select it again, and then head up to the top toolbar to click on Edit. In the Edit Image panel on the left, I scroll down past the filters and apps until I reach the Shadows section, and then I click See All to view the available options. From the shadow styles, I click on Outline. This instantly applies a solid border around the silhouette of the subject. To customize the appearance, I adjust the size slider to increase the stroke thickness to a balanced width. Then, I click on the color swatch to open the color picker palette. I move the slider across the color spectrum until I find a bright, warm yellowish-orange tone that creates a crisp, vibrant contrast against the background. After finalizing the color, I click on the canvas to close the Settings panel. Finally, I select the image, drag the corner handle to resize it slightly larger, and center it neatly on the page. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to put an outline on an image in Canva.